Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about carboxylic acid. Before going to discuss about carboxylic acid, what is carboxylic acid? Carboxylic acids are the acid which contain carboxylic function group. Carboxylic functional group. Such compounds are called carboxylic acid. Carboxylic functional group means they should be contain C double bond O OH functional group. The compound which contain this carboxylic functional group are called carboxylic acid, and these are generally also called carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl, these are also called carbonyl compound because it contain carbonyl group in it. It contain carbonyl group as well as OH function group. These are called carboxylic acid, and here the general formula of carboxylic acid is the general formula is general formula of carboxylic acid is R C double bond O OH. This is the general formula of carboxylic acid, where R may be, it may be hydrogen or any alkyl group or any aryl group. In this carboxylic acid, the R may be, it may be hydrogen or any alkyl group like methyl, ethyl, propyl, or it may be aromatic ring like benzene ring are called carboxylic acid. Okay, and these contain two functional group. First one is carbonyl as well as hydroxyl group, and these both are connectively called carboxylic functional group. Okay, these are called carboxylic acid. In naming the carboxylic acid, naming of carboxylic acid, naming of carboxylic acid. In nomenclature, the carboxylic acids are named in two ways. One is common name. First one is common name, and second one is IUPAC naming. Okay, the common name. Then what is common name? It is the name of the compound given to the compound by its source. Name given by the source. The name of the compound is given by the source. That name is called common name, and IUPAC name is the international standard which is having the certain rules to name the organic compound. Okay, in that we are going to discuss about common name. Common name of the carboxylic acid. First one is example. This is the first member of carboxylic acid. It is found in the source of ant. It is found in ant, and in Latin that ant is called Formica. Hence it is called as Formica. Hence its name is formic acid. Okay, this is the naming, the common naming In carboxylic acid, the common name are arrived due to the source of that carboxylic acid. The first member of carboxylic acid is found in the red ant, and that red ant name is called formica. Hence, the carboxylic acid name is formic acid. Okay. Next example, CH3 C double bond O OH. This is the second member of carboxylic acid, and it is found in vinegar. It is found in vinegar. In Latin, that vinegar is called acetum. In Latin, it is called acetum. Hence, its name is acetic acid. Like this, the carboxylic acids in common, these are named based on their sources. Next, if you see the next example, CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, OH. It contains 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom. This is found in 4 carbon atom carboxylic acid found in butter. It is found in butter. Hence, it is called butyric. In Latin, it is called butyric. Butter is in Latin is called butyric. Hence, its name came as butyric acid. It is called butyric acid. Okay. These are the common name of the carboxylic acid, and common names are the given on the basis of their sources from which these can be found. Next point is IUPAC naming the carboxylic acid. As we already discussed common naming of carboxylic acid, now we are going to discuss about IUPAC nomenclature. In IUPAC nomenclature, there are certain name for the naming the organic compound. These rules are followed in the IUPAC nomenclature. In simple, first in IUPAC nomenclature, first point is we have to pick out the longest chain. That chain is called parent chain, also called. Pick out the first point is pick out the longest chain, and that chain should contain carboxylic functional group. First point in the IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acid is first pick out the longest chain. Which is the longest chain? Select the longest chain. Then, and that longest chain should be contain carboxylic functional group. That is the our longest chain. Next, in second point in the nomenclature, the terminal E letter of the hydrocarbon is replaced by oic acid. The terminal E letter of the corresponding hydrocarbon is replaced by the oic acid as a suffix. And third point is, if any substituent are taken as prefix by numbering. These three rules are followed for the nomenclature of IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acid. First point is select the longest chain, and that longest chain should be contain carboxylic acid. And second one, terminal E of the corresponding hydrocarbon is replaced by the oic acid. If, and third point is, if that chain is contains substituent, these are considered as a prefix by numbering the chain. Okay, let's see the example. In example, this is H C double bond O OH. This is the first member of carboxylic acid. The first member of carboxylic acid, the hydrocarbon name become, here number of carbon atom is 1, then the hydrocarbon name become methane. Okay, here the E is replaced by the oic acid, as the rule indicates, the E is replaced by the oic acid, then its carboxylic acid name become methanoic acid. Okay, this is the IUPAC name of the carboxylic acid. Here we are just replacing the E of the corresponding hydrocarbon by the oic acid. Here one carbon atom, the compound contain one carbon atom is called methane. Here methane E is replaced by the oic acid. This is the first example. Next, second, CH3COOH. CH3COOH. Here number of carbon atom is 2. 2 carbon means hydrocarbon name become ethane. Name become ethane. Here E is replaced by the oic acid. Okay. Here also oic acid. When you replace E by oic acid, then it become ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Similarly, next example, CH3CH2COOH. This become, you can write the directly IUPAC name of the carboxylic acid. Here 3 carbon atoms are there. 3 carbon means it become propane. Here we are replacing E of the propane by oic acid, then it become propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. If we take 4 carbon atom, CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. The carboxylic acid contain 4 carbon atom, then it become 4 carbon means butane. Now it become butanoic acid. Okay. In nomenclature of carboxylic acid, just we are replacing the E of the hydrocarbon by oic acid is called IUPAC nomenclature. If it contains side chain substituent, for example CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, COOH, like this. Here this is our parent chain because it is the longest chain and it is also contain carboxylic acid, hence it is called parent chain or longest chain, and to this longest chain it contain methyl substituent. At that time we have to start the numbering, and numbering should be start from the functional group. Here carboxylic acid is a functional group, then number is start from here 1, 2, 3 and 4. And here in this structure the third carbon atom contain methyl substituent, and that substituent is considered as a prefix, hence the prefix become methyl, and methyl group is attached to the carbon number 3, then it is called 3-methyl. 3-methyl. Parent chain contain 4 carbon atom, then it become butane, and carboxylic functional group, then E is become oic acid, 3-methyl butanoic acid. 3-methyl butanoic acid. Similarly, we can name the carboxylic acid. If any different substituents are there, these are named by indicating the number. Okay. Next, if aromatic carboxylic acids are there, this is our benzene, and benzene contain carboxylic functional group, then it become benzene carboxylic acid. Benzene carboxylic acid, benzene carboxylic acid, and it is also called benzoic acid, and it is also called benzoic acid. Okay. If the carboxylic functional group is attached to alkyl group along with aromatic ring, then it become, for example, let's see here, this is our benzene ring, and benzene ring is attached to CH2 alkyl group, and this CH2 group attached to carboxylic group, then its name become, here in this case we have to consider this benzene ring as a substituent, then that substituent is written as the prefix as a phenyl, and here we have to number start from here 1 and 2, and to this second position the phenyl ring is attached, then it becomes 2 phenyl, here 2 carbon atom means ethane, here carboxylic functional group means ethanoic acid. Okay, 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. These are the rules for nomenclature, IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acid. Similarly, we can give the name for the other carboxylic acid as Vicin. Okay, thank you.